Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install your new taillights. So on the back of the taillight, all you're going to have is these two wires coming out for the halos. This is your driver right here, and this is your harness. Get your two pigtails and your pre-wired resistor. So all we're going to do is, there's a couple of tabs down here. Take this one out here, a couple down there, that's about it. And then all you need is a 8mm socket. Let's pull this back. Take out these three nuts. So now all you're going to do is install the tail light. Just pull these two wires through. Put a nut on to secure it into place so it can't fall off. Okay, so now just connect your main harness. Each of these pigtails. So all I do is connect this here. Connect the other one. Connect this side to the wire coming off the back. ×2. And then for your install, you would maybe make this look a little bit nicer. Tuck that in there. Close it up. That's it. Put on the other two nuts, of course, and you're good to go. Just like that. 3.5 minutes. Thanks, guys.